Alright guys, we're out today and we're replacing the TrackRod end on this Ford Fiesta. Let's go have a look. Down here at the wheel, I don't know if the camera's going to pick us up, I'm going to try. If you just listen. It's got a knock in there and it's got quite a lot of play, you can see that, where it's just sloppy in there. So, let's get this wheel off and expose the TrackRod end. Okay, so here is the end exposed here. See if you can see it. See that play in the joint here. The arm itself isn't moving, it is that joint. So undo the lock nut here, undo the top nut here, knock it out free, twist it off and refit. So that needed a little bit of heat to get it going. Now that's nice and warm. Should come off nice and easy. So the issue we have here is that arm there is spinning, which isn't too bad because we don't want to get seized in here, but we want to get the tracking as accurate as we can before taking it down. So I'm just trying to free it off of there. Right, that nut put up a bit of a fight, but we got it loose from the rod now, so it's fine. And we're going to undo this top nut here. It's an 18mm. End up putting that on the impact and just get it off. Then with that off, I'm going to grab my purse and knock the end out. That now. And count the amount of turns it comes to come off, just so we can get roughly right in the right place. And now before fitting the new one, I'm just going to clean up all these surfaces, ready for the new one to go on, make sure it's nice and flush and clean. With that all clean now, we're going to get our new Delphi one and just spin it on the same amount of turns as the other one come off. Roughly back in the same place. Obviously this isn't tracked perfectly. Pop it back up into place. Pop the nut back on. Just do this hand tight for now. Right, so now we've got that down hand tight, we're going to do let's hop over to E3 Technical and torque it down to manufacturer specification. There's no actual torque setting for this lock nut, so we're just going to nip that up. Right, now with that wheel back on, you can see our play's gone and so is that knock.